What's up guys, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and today I'll be showing you how you can install OBS onto your Windows computer. The process is very similar for Mac and Linux, but also super simple. For those who don't know, head across to the first link in the description down below using a web browser of your choice and download OBS. So what you'll need to do is click a download installer, or if you're on a 32-bit PC, make sure to click this one down here. So we'll select Windows, download installer, and then wait for it to download. Click run or save. Once it's done, it opens up like this. Click next. And yes, if it presents you with that pop-up. So we need to download and install Visual C++ redistributable 64-bit. Super simple, and they've tried to make this as simple as possible. We'll click on the link and we'll click run. If there's more than one link, make sure to click on each one and click run on each. So if we minimize our browser, you can see this. We'll agree, install, and then close. Heading back to our browser, we'll open our downloads and then reopen the OBS installer. Next, I agree, pick the install location, next, install. Then you can leave this ticked unless you don't want it to start and hit finish. Then you'll see this window here. If you're new to OBS, then I'd recommend you click yes. Then you can choose optimize for streaming or recording. Say I just want to record on this PC, so I'll click that. Next, pick the resolution of your choice, and then the FPS of your choice. Next, and it will benchmark your computer to find the best settings. Then hit apply settings, and then you can head to the settings down here. Under output, you can pick a recording path, and you can also set up streaming if you're so inclined. Now, if you're interested in learning more about using OBS, I'd recommend you check the description down below for more information and tutorials on that. This video is simply just how to install OBS. In order to update it in the future, you can either head back to that webpage, or at the top, click on help, followed by check for updates. And you'll see that if there is an update prepared, you can download it here. Otherwise, sometimes when you start OBS, it'll give you the option to download an updated version. So anyways, my name has been Technobo here for Troubleshoot. That has been how to install OBS. If you're interested in more OBS tutorials or a simple crash course, make sure to check the description down below or subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Ciao.